Hey guys, it's Luke here for Playing Man, and today I'm going to take two of these vintage wash tubs and turn them into an Ottoman with some storage in them. The wash tub's pretty big and square, so it'll make a seating system on there very easy to make. I'm going to be using some of this plywood, 1/2 inch, to make the seating area / lid for the storage. There's a bit of a natural lip going along here that sticks out that may be able to hold the platform, and or else otherwise we're going to build this out so that it can rest on there without falling into the bin and offer that storage below. I'm going to use these two pieces of spruce here and then cut them into little brackets we need to make here so the seat doesn't fall down. I've cut the seat supports here, and they're just going to mount something like this, resting right on this ledge. I've cut the tops and they fit in really well, except that I'd want them to fall in and sit on the rest, so I think I'm going to cut them out a little bit more. The covers are cut and they sit nice and flat in each basin. And we're going to try to save this label. This one's pretty much gone, but we can try to recover this by gluing it down and shellacking over it. I picked up this wool blanket at a thrift shop, and we're going to wrap that around with some thick padding on each seat plate, and then that will go into each wash basin. As a cushion to wrap the boards in, I'm using just a recycled cushion here from a sofa, I guess, or a chair that I got from a friend. Buying cushions this thick, which you want it to be nice and thick, it would be about $30 to $40 per panel, so that's a lot of money to spend on something like this, so I just decided to recycle. I've switched my old blade to a new one, fresh out of the box, and this will help make sure that the foam gets cut as nice as possible. I now have both my pieces cut, and I'll be wrapping them up in the softer stuff and then putting some material over the top and stapling it. I made a line on either side here, and then I'm just cutting away with the blade. This little bevel, that's what I'm making here. I'm going to staple this additional pad on just to smoothen out these sharp edges. When it's on, it'll be a little smoother. So I'll just staple it onto the bottom board. I'm going to use these 10mm 3/8 staples to mount the board. So here's the finished product. The top looking very nice and fluffy for a seating pad, and of course storage down below. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this of regular Joes doing projects. So until next time, remember, fake it until you make it.